Regularly changing your car's oil and filters is one of the most critical maintenance tasks, as it directly affects the engine's performance, lifespan, and safety. Here's why it matters. Key benefits. 1. Protects engine components. Lubrication. Fresh oil creates a smooth barrier between moving parts, like pistons, crankshafts, and valves, reducing friction and preventing metal-on-metal wear and tear. Sealing. It fills small gaps between parts, maintaining proper compression and ensuring the engine runs efficiently without power loss. Corrosion prevention. Oil contains additives that protect metal surfaces from rust and oxidation. 2. Keeps the engine clean. As the engine runs, it produces dirt, carbon deposits, and tiny metal shavings. Oil traps these contaminants and carries them to the filter, which removes them from circulation. A clogged filter can no longer trap impurities, allowing dirt to recirculate and cause damage. Changing the filter ensures oil stays clean and effective. 3. Regulates temperature. Oil absorbs heat from hot engine parts and transfers it away, preventing overheating. Old, dirty oil loses this ability, increasing the risk of engine damage from excessive heat. 4. Improves performance and fuel efficiency. Clean, fresh oil reduces resistance between parts, so the engine doesn't have to work as hard. This leads to smoother acceleration, better power delivery, and lower fuel consumption. 5. Reduces emissions. A well-maintained engine burns fuel more cleanly, producing fewer harmful pollutants like hydrocarbons and carbon monoxide, which is better for the environment. 6. Extends engine life and saves money. Regular changes prevent costly damage such as seized pistons, worn bearings, or even total engine failure. The small cost of maintenance is far less than major repairs or replacing the engine entirely. It also helps maintain your car's resale value. As a well-documented service history shows, the vehicle has been cared for. 7. Enhances safety. A healthy engine is less likely to break down unexpectedly, reducing the risk of being stranded in dangerous situations or on busy roads. What happens if you neglect it? Oil becomes thick, sludgy, and loses its protective properties. Friction increases, leading to premature wear and potential damage. Overheating, poor performance, and higher fuel consumption. In severe cases, engine seizure or complete failure, which can be dangerous and extremely expensive to fix. How often should you do it? Most modern cars recommend changing oil every 5,000, 10,000 kilometers or every 6-12 months, depending on your vehicle, oil type, conventional versus synthetic, and driving conditions, e.g., frequent short trips, heavy traffic, or extreme temperatures. Always check your owner's manual for the exact schedule. If you like this, kindly say something at the comment section. Hit like, share, and subscribe. Thank you.